Alright guys, gonna do a quick little short for you here. Run, little bug. Now, what I'm doing here is I want to harvest, or I want to get genetic fidelity with Bibb lettuce. This is a Bibb lettuce, this is a Bibb lettuce, and all those back over there, those are Bibb lettuces too. The flowers are closed because it's 2 o'clock and it's hot. So, what you want to do is you want to get rid of all the other, like, family members through eating. Or get them to the chickens. But see, the thing is what's it called? Genus or something? These guys will all interbreed, and you'll get some Darwinian gene pool. You know, like the kind in South Park.
Oh, boy!
Oh. So in order to maintain that genetic fidelity, you want to get rid of all the other lettuces that are not the same stock. Now, I love all the other lettuces. I have other lettuce beds, but Bibb lettuce is particularly good. Buttery. And, you know, you don't want to... You know, it's like when beets and chard mix. They turn into like a horrible tasting beet. The leaves are still alright, but they don't taste like chard, they don't taste like beet. So anyways, that's a trick. Soon I'll be harvesting seeds off of those. Just pulled out this Russian kale. It's finished flowering, so that's a perfect time to harvest it. Because after this point, if you keep watering it, it'll just start growing again. So I just pull them out. This is all catnip. Gonna dry it out and try to sell it at the farmer's market. See if anyone wants it. Ah, smells good. Anywho, alright, chicken food. Genetic fidelity. Hallelujah.
So there you go. You're the retarded offspring of 5 monkeys having butt sex with a fish squirrel. Congratulations.